Hey there, CIS170 for session 2. Now that you have done the programming fun and games, now that you have done the introduction discussion board, we'll get into a little bit more of the real serious work here for the class. What I have for you here in session 2 are pseudocode, terms, and style. Those are just things to keep with you throughout the rest of the course. They're like a cheat sheet for how to structure things. But on the pseudocode terms and style page, there are a host of videos on there about, how to structure your pseudocode and how to use the keywords there, all caps, for example. So those are the first things to go through. As you progress down through the module here, you will also see that there are Chapter 1 and Chapter 2 PowerPoints, as well as Chapter 1 and Chapter 2 either videos, podcasts, or screencasts. Really, there's a little bit of all of those. You are going to need the book. If I don't mention this ever again, I'm not going to, but I know I mentioned it last week and I'll mention it here, is you're going to be the most successful if, number one, you have the book, and number two, and more importantly, read the book. So all of this is going to be gobbledygook until you actually see it in use, until you read through the material. Just having the video, audio, and screencast stuff doesn't necessarily complete the whole picture. I will not, through the video, audio, and screencast, read to you the textbook. That's not what I'm here for. I just highlight the high points and give you examples of application of things like that. So you are going to need to read the text. So the structure that you see there is the order in which I would do things. The videos are there, the screencasts are there, the audio is there to help you out with those. And due next session is pseudocode 1. Throughout the course of this following week, I will go through and actually put the due dates on everything. I usually don't do that the first week for two reasons. Number one, Eagle always messes up dates for some reason, and it disrupts my calm. So if I import all the dates, they get super duper messed up. So I make sure that nothing else changes first over the course of the first week, and then I go back through here and put dates on everything, because otherwise, invariably, and this will happen, and if you notice that this happens, just let me know and I'll go back through and fix it. But Eagle will sometimes, I don't know why, like change a due date on something. So if you notice like a Wednesday due date, let me know and we will fix that, because that is Eagle messing up stuff. Like, I will admit I have a calendar deficit. I'm not super great with that, but I'm looking at a calendar when I assign these things. It can't always be me. So that is what to expect here in session 2. You'll read chapters 1 and 2, and you will also read and keep the pseudocode terms and pseudocode styles PDFs. And there is a wealth of support material for you out there on all of those things. So that and pseudocode 1 is due by next week, Saturday. Have at it, everybody.